A vast and majestic land where ancient nomadic traditions meet futuristic cities on the endless steppe. Discover Almaty's alpine beauty, explore the surreal landscapes of Charon Canyon, and marvel at Astana's bold, modern architecture rising from the heart of Eurasia. From eagle hunters and yurt stays to space launch sites and Silk Road ruins, Kazakhstan offers a rare blend of cultural depth and natural wonder. Hospitality runs deep, and adventure waits in every direction, whether it's hiking, horseback riding, or stargazing in the vast, silent desert. Kazakhstan is the largest landlocked country in the world. It is located in Central Asia, partly in Eastern Europe. The capital city is Astana, formerly known as Nur-Sultan. Almaty was the former capital and remains the largest city. The official languages are Kazakh and Russian. Kazakh is a Turkic language written in the Cyrillic script, Latin transition ongoing. The country has a population of over 19 million people. Kazakhstan is the 9th largest country in the world by area. It shares borders with Russia, China, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, and Turkmenistan. It also borders the Caspian Sea to the west. Kazakhstan declared independence from the Soviet Union in 1991. It was the last Soviet republic to declare independence. The first president was Nur-Sultan Nazarbayev, who ruled for nearly 30 years. Kassym-Jomart Tokayev became president in 2019. Kazakhstan is a unitary republic with a presidential system. The country has a bicameral parliament, the Senate and Majlis. The currency is the Kazakhstani tenge. Islam is the dominant religion, primarily Sunni. There is a significant Orthodox Christian minority. Kazakhstan is ethnically diverse, with Kazakhs, Russians, Uzbeks, Ukrainians, and others. About 70% of the population are ethnic Kazakhs. The Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan was the launch site for the first man in space. Yuri Gagarin launched into orbit from Baikonur in 1961. Baikonur is still leased by Russia and used for space missions. Kazakhstan has vast reserves of oil, gas, uranium, and minerals. It is one of the world's top uranium producers. The economy is heavily based on natural resource exports. Agriculture includes wheat, barley, potatoes, and livestock. The Kazakh steppe is one of the largest dry grassland plains on Earth. The Caspian Sea is rich in oil and biodiversity. The Aral Sea, once shared with Uzbekistan, has drastically shrunk due to irrigation. The Tian Shan Mountains lie to the southeast, near Almaty. Lake Balkhash is one of Asia's largest lakes, partly freshwater and partly saltwater. Winters are cold and snowy, summers are hot and dry. Kazakhstan has a continental climate with wide seasonal temperature variation. The Kazakh people traditionally lived a nomadic lifestyle. Horseback riding and animal husbandry were central to nomadic life. The national drink, kumis, is fermented mare's milk. Beshbarmak is the national dish, made of boiled meat and pasta. Kazakh culture includes eagle hunting, music, and felt making. Traditional music features instruments like the dombra and kobys. Nowruz, the spring equinox, is a major holiday. Yurts are traditional portable dwellings still used in rural areas. Kazakh clothing includes embroidered robes and distinctive hats. The flag of Kazakhstan features a golden eagle and sun on a blue background. The sun represents peace, and the eagle symbolizes freedom. Kazakhstan has a large number of national parks and protected areas. The steppe is home to saiga antelope, wolves, and golden eagles. The snow leopard lives in the mountains of southeastern Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan joined the United Nations in 1992. It is a member of the Commonwealth of Independent States. It is also part of the Eurasian Economic Union. The country is officially secular, with freedom of religion. Kazakhstan has hosted major international summits and sporting events. Astana Expo 2017 focused on future energy solutions. The Trans-Caspian Railway and Silk Road projects pass through Kazakhstan. It has invested heavily in infrastructure and urban development. The country is divided into 17 regions and 3 cities of national significance. Education is free and mandatory through secondary school. Kazakh and Russian are both used in government and education. Kazakhstan aims to be among the top 30 global economies by 2050. The Latin alphabet is being gradually introduced for Kazakh by 2031. The judiciary includes a Supreme Court and Constitutional Council. Corruption and press freedom remain challenges. Internet use is growing, but there is some censorship. Mobile penetration is widespread across the population. Football, soccer, is the most popular sport. Wrestling, boxing, and weightlifting are also widely practiced. Kazakhstan has won Olympic medals, especially in boxing and weightlifting. Astana and Almaty host modern architecture and skyscrapers. The Khan Shatter in Astana is a tent-like shopping and entertainment center. The Palace of Peace and Reconciliation is a notable pyramid-shaped building. Almaty is known for its culture, museums, and ski resorts. The Medeu ice rink is one of the highest altitude outdoor rinks in the world. Kazakhstan's national identity has grown since independence. The government promotes Kazakh, land of the Kazakhs, as a unifying concept. The country balances relations between Russia, China, the US, and Europe. Nuclear disarmament is a key part of Kazakhstan's foreign policy identity. The Semipalatinsk test site was a major Soviet nuclear test location. Kazakhstan closed the site and has advocated for a nuclear-free world. If you like the video, we'll share it with your friends and family members on WhatsApp and Facebook wall. I encourage you to like this video too, or did you know that you will meet your friends through the video till then?